In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. With the increasing reliance on virtual meetings, mastering the art of hosting on Zoom can keep you connected with colleagues, friends, or family from anywhere around the globe. We'll go through this step by step to ensure you feel confident managing your online gatherings seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, you need to head over to zoom.us. This is your initial step to getting set up. And here you'll either sign up for an account if you haven't already, or simply log in if you're returning. Zoom offers both free and paid plans, but for the majority of meetings, a standard free account should suffice. Once you're logged in, you will see an option at the top of the screen labeled Host a Meeting. Click there, then select Join with Video. This choice ensures that your video feed is part of the meeting, providing a more personal touch and helping participants feel more connected, as they can see facial expressions and gestures, a key component of effective communication. Next, you may see prompts asking for permission to access your camera and microphone. Make sure to allow these permissions. Otherwise, participants won't be able to see or hear you. Allowing access is crucial as it enables you to fully engage in the meeting, facilitating a smooth experience for everyone involved. As your meeting session begins, it's time to invite others to join you. Look for the Participants button on your toolbar and click on Invite. Here you can send invitations via email, or simply copy the meeting link and send it through your preferred messaging platform. This feature allows for flexibility, ensuring everyone you want to join has easy access to the meeting. With participants joining, you have a range of options at your disposal for managing interactions during the meeting. The toolbar at the bottom is your go-to friend. You'll find functionalities like muting or unmuting your microphone, a handy tool to ensure background noise doesn't interrupt the flow of conversation. Similarly, you can start or stop your video feed as needed, giving you control over when you're visible to others. One of the most powerful features of Zoom meetings is the ability to share your screen. Whether you're walking through a presentation, demonstrating software, or showcasing a project, screen sharing is indispensable for effectively conveying information. Additionally, you have the chat feature, which allows you to send messages to participants without interrupting the ongoing conversation. It's perfect for sharing links, addressing questions discreetly, or communicating with someone who's having trouble with audio. Finally, when your meeting is wrapping up, you'll want to end it properly. Look for the End button and then select End Meeting for All to close the session. This ensures that the meeting concludes for everyone, maintaining the confidentiality and security of the session. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to hosting a Zoom meeting efficiently. With these steps, you can navigate your next Zoom meeting with poise and proficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!